Coconut juice is a delicious and refreshing drink. Here's a simple recipe you can try at home. I'm going to leave everything in the description. So the ingredients, I'll just say it. 1 young coconut, 1 tablespoon of sugar, which is optional, a squeeze of lime, that's also optional, and you need ice cubes. Now the instructions. Open the coconut. Carefully use a knife to cut off the top of the young coconut, and be sure to ask an adult for help if you're not an adult. You want to create a hole big enough to drink from. Number 2, pour the juice. Place a straw in the hole and sip the fresh coconut juice. It's sweet and hydrating. Number 3, add sugar. Again, optional. If you like your juice sweeter, stir in a tablespoon of sugar. Mix it well until the sugar dissolves. Number 4, add a lime. Also optional. For a tangy twist, squeeze a little lime juice into your drink for extra taste. Number 5, serve over ice. If you want it cold, pour the coconut juice over ice cubes in a glass. This is especially nice on a hot day. Now you have a refreshing coconut juice drink. Enjoy it with friends or at a summer party. It's healthy and full of flavor.